A drop of water falling onto your body. At the first, it seems this cannot do anything, this cannot change anything. But sooner, many drops of water, which are so small, falls together and forms massive giant rainfall. The drop of water, which was so small, is not small now. It is the part of massive occurring of the rain. Now this has the power to cause floods, landslides, and changes in the courses of rivers. It now has become more powerful than ever before. Your efforts, your hard works are like small raindrops. It appears they are not going to make any changes. It seems they are powerless. But when all these consistent small drops of efforts add up, it gives you the massive rain of achievements. It will change the course of your life. So instead of complaining the minuteness of your efforts, just keep on adding your small drops continuously. In this journey called life, to make huge impact, huge transformation, and huge accomplishment, you don't have to start big. Start small. Start to take baby steps at a time. Learn to embrace the beauty of a drop of your hard work. You will form massive rain of achievements if you consistently add up your small drops of efforts. This is Be Like a Motivation. I believe there is motivation everywhere, every time, and on everything. Thank you so much for watching, and keep on smiling.